Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix too many requests in 1 hour on the ChatGPT. I will show you the 5 methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. So first of all, you need to use a different browser to log into your ChatGPT and it will fix your problem. You can use the to log into your ChatGPT. Moving to our second method, you have to just click on the three dots at the very top right corner and then click on the more tools and then click on the extensions. Here you have to just disable all of the enabled extensions in your browser. After doing so, you have to just again log into your ChatGPT and your problem will be fixed. Now moving to the third method, you have to just again click on the three dots and then click on the settings, and here in the left side click on the about Chrome in order to update it. If any update will available, it will automatically update your browser. So once you're done, you have to just click on the privacy and the security in the left menu and then click on the clear browsing data. And here you have to just select these options and then in the time range select for all time and then click on the clear data. Wait for completing this process and again log into your ChatGPT and your problem will be fixed. Now moving to the fourth method, you have to just again click on the three dots at the top right and then click on the new incognito window. So once this window open, you have to just log into your ChatGPT by using this incognito mode. So this is the best way to solve your error. Now moving to our last and the final solution, you have to just download a VPN which is named as VPN service by VPN. So once you get this VPN, you have to just make sure that connect the server of the France to this VPN, and after this again log into your ChatGPT and your problem will be fixed. So that's all for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.